Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Got some exciting news. Literally just got back from my front door because my 14-inch MacBook just got dropped off. This is the M1 Max version. So just going to do a quick unboxing just so y'all can see, what all comes in the box, just all that kind of stuff. I'll do a full review video, all that kind of stuff later on. But I just wanted to, get some initial thoughts on just an unboxing process of the MacBook. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we've got the box here. Not too much. Back up. Got a little slit right here that we can pull. The plastic and everything on. I think sometimes this is the most satisfying part of an unboxing. All right. So, as soon as you take off the top, you got the computer itself. Perfect spot for it to sit. Got the MagSafe. So glad they went back to this, but we'll get into more detail about that in the review. Manual or how to, welcome and all that. Probably skim through that and then throw it in the trash. Stickers. I never use them. But I just want to let you know that they're in the box. Just a brick for the MagSafe. And that's it for everything in the box. Alright, so we've got the computer, got the cord, the brick, some stickers that I'm not going to use, manuals, very Apple-like, very minimal for what you need, because the biggest thing is the mere fact that you got the computer and everything that is involved with it. But like I said, I'm going to do a full review, give me about, I'll probably do one in a couple days or maybe at least a week, just to see what the computer's like compared to MacBooks previously. I know a lot of people have said stuff about the M1 Max, especially the 14-inch edition, so I'm going to get into all that, but I'll make sure I touch as much as I can. If you have any questions, things that you want me to check out, things that you want me to test for myself that you've seen from other people, let me know in the comment below. Other than that, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for being here, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.